Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living. If you're looking for an easy, natural way to boost your kitchen garden's growth without spending a dime, this is it. Today, I'm revealing a powerful banana peel trick that has completely transformed how I care for my plants. It's cheap, simple, and incredibly effective. You've probably heard of using banana peels in the garden before, but the real secret lies in soaking banana peels in water and adding a few powerful kitchen ingredients to make an all-natural liquid fertilizer your plants will love. Let's start with why banana peels are so effective. They're rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, all vital nutrients that help your plants develop strong roots, flower better, and resist disease. Potassium especially supports fruiting and overall resilience. That's why this solution is amazing for tomatoes, peppers, spinach, herbs, and even flowers. Here's how I make this homemade banana peel fertilizer. I take about 2 or 3 ripe banana peels and cut them into small pieces. I place them in a glass jar or recycled container and fill it with water, about 1 liter. Now here's the magic. I add a tablespoon of molasses or raw honey, a pinch of Epsom salt, and just a splash of apple cider vinegar. So why these additions, you might wonder? Well, molasses or honey, they feed the beneficial microbes that live in your soil. Those little guys that help break down nutrients and deliver them to your plants. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. Epsom salt, on the other hand, adds magnesium and sulfur, which are just great for green growth and chlorophyll production. And, oh, the apple cider vinegar? It helps break down the banana peel faster, making the nutrients more available. Pretty cool, right? Alright, now let the jar sit for about 3 to 5 days in a warm spot. You'll notice the water darkens and might develop a slight fermentation smell. That's good, don't worry. Once it's ready, you'll want to strain the mixture into a watering can and dilute it with an equal amount of water before applying it to the base of your plants. Simple as that. Now here's the exciting part. Use this liquid gold every 2 weeks and just watch the difference. Your plants will start to perk up, leaves will grow fuller and deeper green, and you may even see faster flowering and fruiting. It's really quite something to behold. What I love most is that this method is zero waste. You're taking kitchen scraps and turning them into something your garden thrives on. Plus, it's free from synthetic chemicals, making it perfect for anyone practicing organic or natural gardening. And here's a pro tip. Don't throw out the leftover peels after soaking. You can bury them directly in your garden bed or compost pile to keep feeding your soil over time. This simple banana peel trick is part of how I maintain healthy, productive garden beds throughout the growing season. It's proof that nature already gives us what we need. We just have to use it wisely. If you found this trick helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Gentle Herb Living for more natural gardening tips. Got your own secret fertilizer recipe? Share it in the comments. I love hearing what works for other gardeners. Until next time, stay rooted and keep growing.